How you doing, everybody? Matt here with American Campfire Creations, and I thought I'd make a little video today showcasing where we're at our site in the Manatee State Park right outside of Chiefland, Florida. Kind of just want to show you around. It's a really awesome site. As you can see, it almost looks like we're camping in the jungle. But you know, it is Florida, so you're gonna get all the palm trees, and you actually have a lot of the Spanish moss up on the branches and everything. But yeah, I thought I'd do this little video showing you guys this because we love this site. It is absolutely beautiful here. As you can see, there's plenty of room. I mean, we got our 26-foot rig in here with my truck, the whole thing, no problem. And then we got all this empty space over here. They come with one of the nice fire rings that has the little grate over it so that you can use a brand new picnic table. As you can see, the sites themselves, they don't have dump hookups for your sewer and whatnot, but they do have a dump station up at the front of the park. But it does come with water and electric. And right now we're paying about $28 a night, and it's December in 2020, so pretty good rate. I think it goes up once it starts to get a little warmer. But anyways, yeah, we really like this site. It's, like I said, beautiful. There's tons of hiking here. There is also a lake so that you can rent canoes at. We have a kayak, but we're not going to have time to take that out, unfortunately, but we would otherwise. But yeah, they have that here with a boat ramp and all that. Like I said, lots of nice hiking, biking, but yeah, this is an absolutely gorgeous campground. So I wanted to show you real quick, basically, when we pull in here, kind of our little routine. So right now I still got the truck and the trailer hooked up, but normally at this point I would have already disconnected, brought all the jacks down, all 4 jacks, and then the one in the front, pull my truck forward a little bit so I can get it out of the way. And then I come back here, and we keep all of our camping equipment back here, which I kind of highlighted all this stuff in one of my other videos of all the things that we actually have on the trailer. But I keep all our stuff in here, like extra hoses and tarps and blocks of wood for the jacks and things like that. But this is where I also keep my my 30 amp power cord. So typically at these sites, they have one of these boxes like this, and some sites actually have a 50 amp plug-in as well, but the site we're at is only 30 amp, and then you got your normal 120 volt or 20 amp over here. So what you would do is you would hit these little breaker switches up so that you get power. And I'm just going to plug my power cord right here, which I actually keep a surge protector on the end of mine, just in case the campgrounds aren't putting out the right amount of power. And what it'll do is it'll tell me right here on these little indicator lights if it's at the proper amperage or not. So I would definitely invest in one of those, because you never know some of these backwoods campsites if they have the right power going through, and you don't want to take a chance of ruining your RV. And so once I plug it into there, and then I'm going to plug it into the trailer, and I just lift this little lid up here. And because I have the 30 amp, it has the 3-prong, so basically just slide that in and then twist it on. And we are connected to power. Super easy. So yeah, basically just come out, hook up your electric, put down your jacks, get your water hooked up, get your slide out. I mean, we have a full slide out on the other side that has our kitchenette and our living space in there with or a couch, I mean. And so that whole side slides out. And then we would normally put our awning out as well. And you know, typically I would get the fire pit going and all that, but we're only going to be here one night, like I said, and so I'm just going to cook inside the RV. But yeah, pretty simple process coming to these campsites, especially if you're only going to be here one night. I mean, like I said, I don't even disconnect when we're only going to be here one night. I just leave it hooked up to the truck. So don't mind the dogs, they're in there making a bunch of ruckus. But yeah, I like this campground. I would definitely check it out. Like I said, it's Manatee Springs State Park right outside of Chiefland, Florida. I'll put the information in the description below about this site. And yeah, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I will see all of you around the next campfire, and have a good night, everybody.